Mudras can also be the best part of spiritual and the meditation practice, which is a position where our hands and the fingers communicate ourselves. Namaste. Welcome to Amsa Yoga. This is me, Gangothri again. Welcome back to another mudra episode. In today's video, we are going to learn about a special mudra. The name of this mudra is adhomukhamudra. Adhomukha means downward. This downward facing asana are called as adhomukha svanasana. But here in mudra, there is also mudra which called as adhomukhamudra. This gesture is one of the powerful gesture to give yourself energy and to make your dreams true. Because this mudra is a mudra where you can affirmation yourself to make your life more successful. This mudra is one of the mudra which comes under the Gayatri mudras. There are 24 Gayatri mudras. In that, this mudra is also one. If you are got up the diksha of Gayatri mantra, I suggest you to chant a Gayatri mantra with this. If not, that's totally fine. With this gesture, you can also practice any mantra japa or any mantra chanting with this mudra. As we are practicing this mudra with the both hands, this is also called as samyukta asta mudra. We are using up the both hands to perform the one gesture. Because when we practice a mudra with the mantra, where we can feel a more energy and the more effort with our practice. Because the sound, the vibration, whatever is there, of the mantra, it will be more I. So I suggesting you to practice with this mudra. Let's see how to perform this mudra. Before that, there is some contraindication that you need to be aware before you are practicing this mudra. Let's see what are the contraindications. People who are suffering from IBP and the cardiovascular problem, I suggest them to take some guidance under the yoga teacher and they can do it. People who have got some kind of injuries on the wrist, palms and the shoulders or any kind of surgery, I suggest them to not practice for a few days. Apart from that, anyone can practice this mudra. Let's see how to perform this mudra. It's very simple but more and more effective with lots of benefits. First, you need to touch the knuckles of the fingers to each other this way and touch the tip of the thumb. As we are practicing downward mudra, I need to turn the hands to the downward. This is how you need to practice this mudra. This is how you need to hold this gesture. Affirmation in this gesture like a positive intention. What could be the positive intention? Like I am positive or my radiance is positive. I am good. I am positive. Like that, this kind of positive note you need to affirm during this mudra practice. With mantra, once you completed with mantra, after that you can practice affirmation that's actually effective for you. Let's look at some of the benefits by performing this mudra. In adhomukhamudra, this thumb finger is one of the special finger which does a very important role, as this thumb finger connecting each other in this mudra, and the hands are pointing downward. The palms are pointing downward, where your Agni Tattva will be increased as the thumb finger is connected to each other by touching up the thumb finger each other. This is the Agni finger, the fire element finger. So the digestion issue, if you are suffering with that, this is one of the best mudra. And if you are suffering with gastric issue, you can also practice this mudra. This is very powerful mudra for digestion and the gas problem. According to the Ayurveda, it is said that the senior above the 60 years old will observe the strong effect of Vata dominant in the body. A raise in Vata causes the decreases in the Agni. This mudra can be controlled. During the rainy and winter season, this is one of the best mudra because it keeps yourself warm. And if you are practicing, or if you are beginner to the meditation, then I suggest you to practice this mudra. This is one of the preparation mudra for the meditation and one of the best mudra for the fungus. So hope you like this video. Let's practice mudra, let's practice yoga every day to keep ourselves healthy and happy. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care, have a great day. Namaste, be happy.